Hello everyone, welcome to this new video on Bold BI. In this video, I will demonstrate how to open, add, delete, customize, share, and mark as public dashboard views in Bold BI, as well as manage their permissions. With these features, you can save filtered versions of a dashboard, set a default view for quick access, and share that view with the right users, without reapplying the same filters every time. To save a view, your dashboard must have a filter where you can view different sets of data. Now let me show you how to set up a view using a sample dashboard. On the design page, add a data source. You can create a new one or use an existing one. I click Use Existing and select Sales Analysis Data. Once the data source is added, I drag and drop a list box and resize it. I assign data and update the name. Next, I drag and drop a combo box and resize it. I assign data to it and update the name. Lastly, I drag and drop a bar chart onto the design surface and resize it. I assign data to it and update the widget name. I update the combo box listener widget to the bar chart alone. Now that we have our dashboard with filter widgets, we can view specific data easily. Now let's publish and open our dashboard. In View mode, I select Antonio's company and specify 2026 as the year for product sales. The view now focuses on the specified company and the products sold in 2026. This is how a view is set up. Filters applied in a dashboard are summarized in the Filter Overview section under Applied Filters. To save the filters, click on the Save icon. A pop-up will open where you can name the dashboard view. Here you can set the view as default by selecting the Mark as Default option. A default view means this dashboard will automatically load with this view when it is opened. Then click Save. To add another view, clear the current filter. I clear the filter. I select Alfred's company and specify 2026 as the year for product sales. Then I open the filters. To save this new filter, use the Save As icon. If you click the Save icon, the currently saved filter will update and may result in a view that is different than the one intended. I click Save As. I provide a name and disable the Mark as Default option. Then save. You can view saved dashboard views in the Dashboard Views panel by clicking the Views icon. Clicking on a saved view will display the list of filters applied in that view. Next, I will show you how to share a dashboard view. Note that dashboard views can be shared only with users who have permission to access the specific dashboard. To share a view, click the Share Permissions icon. Type the username or group name with whom you want to share the dashboard view. After selecting the users or groups, click Share. To confirm this, I copy the link and go to it in my default browser. I impersonate the user by logging into the account. Here you will only see the view shared with that user. To open, click it. I will go back to the initial dashboard. Now let's see how to manage a view's permissions. Note that only the user who created the dashboard view can remove its sharing permissions. Click the Manage Access button to see the users or groups and their associated permissions. Then remove the permissions by using the Remove option in the Actions column of each permission. Then click Save. To confirm this, I copy the link and go to it in my default browser. I impersonate the user by logging into the account. You can see there is no view for the user. I will go back to the initial dashboard. Also, a dashboard view can be marked as public to allow anyone to access it. To do so, click Change. Select the access permission, and then click Change. To confirm this, I copy the link and go to it in my default browser. I impersonate another user by logging into the account. Here, you will only see the view, which is marked as public. To open, click it. I will go back to the initial dashboard. Then click Done. In the Views panel, you can set a view as the default for that dashboard by clicking the Set as Default icon. If the dashboard has no default view yet, and you click the Set as Default option, then the current view will be set as the default view. If a default view already exists for the dashboard, a confirmation dialog box will appear, and you can proceed by selecting Yes. After setting a view as the default for the dashboard, the text, Default, will be appended to the view's name in the Views listing panel. To remove it as the default, click the Remove as Default option. Proceed by clicking Yes in the confirmation dialog that appears. Lastly, to delete the view, choose the Delete option to remove the dashboard view from Bold BI. Proceed with deletion by selecting Yes in the confirmation dialog. A success message will be displayed. In this video, I showed you how to open, add, customize, share, mark as public, and delete dashboard views, plus how to manage their permissions in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, you can visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by selecting Try It Free. If you want a demo from an expert, select Request Demo to schedule a call. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.